Can you guess how many batteries we used to make this flashlight? That's right, 0! In this video, I reconstructed a whole flashlight and I'll share the secrets to how it was made, how it works, and how it generates electricity without using any batteries. Instead, using human labor. So, the objective is to find a way to generate the most amount of electricity that needs the least amount of human energy. So, come hang around until it's the end and I'll tell you all about it. Psst, we'll give you the resources so you can try yourself too. How does the flashlight work, you may ask? So, when the flashlight is shaken, the magnet is forced to move in and out of the coils that are in the chamber, which results in the flux of the magnetic field around it that will generate an electric current. This is known as electromagnetic induction. The model of this flashlight, which looks like a hammer, was made in blender. No, not that blender, this blender, including the chamber, which is the black cylinder in the middle. The cylinder was first made as a 3D printed part, and then made into a silicone mold. Then cast out of epoxy mixed with iron powder. This is the spool for winding the coil. We wrote two different widths of copper wire. The first width is 0.25 millimeters, and the second width is 0.3 millimeters. That would be put in the middle of the chamber. This is how it should look when it's winded up and put into the chamber.
To assemble the flashlight, it's actually quite simple. Make sure you have all of the needed parts like the handle, chamber, magnet, coils, and screws. Then we can start. Now we will try out the flashlight. First, we empty the capacitor, then we reset the program. Now, to start, we type in S on the serial monitor and shake it. When it's done, the data can be copied from the serial monitor to Excel. Repeat this 5 times for each setup. After sorting the data, we will get two values, X for time and Y for work or energy. And from this data, we can get the estimate of the power that is generated, which can be seen in this graph.
This graph shows the power generated in each setup. It can be concluded that the flashlight that uses the 0.25mm coil with the iron core is the most efficient out of other setups. This is possibly because the resistance on the 0.3mm coil is too big, or the difference in coil diameters. Though the cost of why setup 4 can generate electricity as much as setup 2 with the iron core is still unknown.
Faraday Flashlight is an environmentally friendly piece of technology that doesn't need things that are hard to recycle like batteries. So, are you interested in making it yourself?